Alright, hi guys. So I have a bunch of data that I would like to extract, but I would like to extract based on the particular sorting order. Okay, so in these sessions right here, in these lessons, I'm going to be showing you how we would combine this filter function and sort function together. So sort function, this seems a little bit complicated at first because I was experimenting around. I actually find it's not that hard for you to understand though, so let me go into detail. Okay, so let's jump into this exercise worksheet first. So I have a bunch of our employee data, and I would like to extract our employee data based on a particular department, which is sales department. So if that's what we want to do, all right, so I'm gonna go to this employee number, and so I'm gonna go to this employee number, which is the first cell, and I'll start with equal and then go with filter. Right, so we all know that filter is for you to extract a more than one match result, and the match is going to be the department, sales department. Array would be the answers that you like it to be returned. So I used to only return by column, but after a couple of rounds of experimenting, I realized that this filter function was so powerful that it was able to return more than one column at once. So when it comes to this array right here, I decided to select everything that I have, and then I'm gonna go comma, which is proceed to the next one. Our criteria will be based on the department, has to be equivalent to the sales. All right, so if none of that was matched, if let's say there's a particular department was not found, I'll just say it's empty, right? It's empty. So if I were to hit enter, the result just pops out, and if let's say I were to change this one to admin, and as when I hit enter, it will just list out all the people that is based on this admin department. But I was thinking that perhaps I would like to sort them based on their last name. So then I came across this function called sort. What I would do is I will be encapsulating this filter function within the sort. So I'll go to the formula bar and I will enter in the sort. So the array is going to be our answer. As when I go to the end here, now this is where it gets interesting. So as when I hit in this comma, or when I put in the comma, it says that they sort index. So the sort index means that as if, let's say we have a couple of columns right here, which column that you like to sort based on, and our last name happened to be in column number 2, hence I'm going to say please sort based on our index number 2, which is column number 2 as your last name. And then your sort order, would you be ascending or descending? Of course, I would like it to be in a form of ascending, so I'm going to put 1. So would you like to sort by column or sort by row? So if we take a look at the structure of the return answer right now, it is based on each of the rows. So whether you're filtering or whether you're sorting by row. So you're gonna go for false, which is you are sorting them by row. So as when I hit enter, let's check out the last name. It immediately sort based on the last name. But some people will say, what if let's say we like to sort based on the first name? I mean, why not? All right, so as when I go back to the first of the cell, and I'm gonna change the index. So the index is where which column that we like to sort based on. So right now I'm gonna change it to 3. So we could see immediately at the first name we have Aaron, Bart, we have Duan, or whoever that is ascendingly arranged, immediately sort based on the first name right now. Okay, so if I were to go to the department and change this one to sales, as when I hit enter, That's amazing. This works so perfectly. So I hope you guys had fun throughout this whole sessions right here. And I guess I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.